In this video, you'll learn how to use TradingView with Binance for real-time analysis. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to effectively leverage Binance's advanced charting tools integrated with TradingView to enhance your trading. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. After successfully logging in, locate the spot trading section, which is typically found in the main navigation menu. Select a trading pair that you wish to analyze. After making your selection, look for the option to switch to advanced chart view, which is usually positioned prominently on the trading interface. This transition will load the professional charting tools provided by TradingView. Once the advanced chart is open, take a moment to ensure that the chart loads properly. You should see various technical indicators and tools available for your analysis. Familiarize yourself with the layout. This step is crucial as it opens up a wide range of features for conducting in-depth market analysis. Next, focus on customizing your TradingView indicators. Begin by adding essential indicators such as moving averages or the relative strength index, often abbreviated as RSI. Adjust the time frames to suit your analysis needs. It is advisable to avoid cluttering your chart with too many indicators, as this can lead to confusion. Utilize the drawing tools available to create trend lines or mark significant price levels. If the option is available, save your chart layout to easily access your preferred settings in the future. Practicing reading patterns and signals will enhance your analytical skills. After customizing your indicators, apply your analysis to your trading decisions. Use the signals generated by the charts to formulate entry and exit strategies. Consider combining your indicators with volume data for a more comprehensive view of market movements. It is important to remain disciplined, avoid emotional trading decisions. Before placing any orders, review your analysis thoroughly. Track the outcomes of your trades to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategy as market conditions evolve. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.